and a dream and way too much crap.
Okay, so those are the bags. Now, the question is, will it fit? So, those are the shoes that I'm going to be wearing. Those I've been wearing and are getting tossed. But this is what we have to fit in the bags. So, let's take a quick inventory here. So, here's all the bathroom stuff. Got my shampoo, conditioner, of course, as much vape juice as I could grab. I've got my needles for my Ozempic shot. I've got my diabetic supplies. I've got my chewable toothpaste tablets, diabetic supplies, my razor, some extra razors, some extra coils, obviously nail clipper, tweezers. This is my bag for my sunglass, or my glass case for my Metas, and in there I also have the clip-on sunglasses. And then those are my regular prescription glasses because they still have a better prescription than the one that I got. This is my health kit stuff. This is my blood pressure cuff. Obviously, a little eyeglass or blindfold for sleeping on the plane. This is my O2 sensor. And I have already figured out that this is a weight scale that I bought, that I was hoping I would measure my weight every day, but I started playing with it yesterday, and it's too damn small for me to be able to stand on and get an accurate listing. So that is gone. Okay, that holds my needled medication. It's a cooler. It's got an ice pack in there, keep everything cool. Obviously, we got medications. My toothbrush, brush, and extra toothbrush heads because I don't know where I'm going to be when I get more. This is the recharger and the cable for my toothbrush kit. This thing is awesome. It actually has a ultraviolet light that kills all the germs on the toothbrush. So, a couple extra hats, couple long sleeve shirts, just in case I want to be able to dress up, even though the vast majority of my clothing is shorts and t-shirts now. But I thought I'd bring at least just a couple. This is my parka. Well, not my parka. It's my rain suit. If I get into like some heavy downpours. And then we've got my bathing suit, 3 sets of shorts, and 1 more pair of pants. The outfit that I'm wearing is the one that I'm going in. So that's not going to get packed. Obviously, we got socks. We got some compression socks too for the long flights. And then obviously my expat backpack, my BackPackExPat clothing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts, 5 the one I'm wearing. And then we got my extra Superman super thin stuff that the only reason I bring it is because it's super light and it packs well. Couple pairs, well, 3 pairs of underwear. Got my water shoes, my flip flops. Now we get to the tech package that we're bringing here. Okay, I know I didn't go the lightest, but I wanted capability, so I've got myself my Alienware Area 51 16-inch laptop. That with the power supply weighs somewhere around 10 pounds, so it ain't light. And that is my portable 16-inch monitor that attaches to it, along with my little Tozo Bluetooth headphones. We've got a bunch of cables, as well as my extra storage and hard drives. There is my Osmo Nano. There's my Insta360 X5, my DJI mic minis, as well as lighting to bring with. We also have the mic for the Insta360, as well as the preview mic too. Some extra batteries for the 360, my GoPro 12, batteries for the GoPro 12 with a charger, extra batteries for my Pocket 3, which is what is being used to film all of this. I do have my little mini binoculars, as well as my international power exchanger so that we can plug in anywhere. High-speed data cables, And then we have all of my anchor gear, which is a 27,000 milliamp hour battery, along with the base charger, along with a 140 watt wall charger, and my Anchor 7-in-1 USB hub. Okay, obviously swim case for the GoPro, lens adapters and cleaners and stuff for all the cameras. In here we have some more USB cables. I might have to narrow down some of my USB cables. This is adapters. These are some magnetic adapters I got for the cameras, which I might end up using some of those before we go. Then in here, oops, we have my backpack adapters, because the only challenge that I have is that does not fit on my leather backpack, which is the black one. It does fit on the gray ones though, but only when I take off. I'll show you. There's a whole trick to that whole thing. Okay, and then we just dropped a little passport book holder, which is probably going to end up going the way of the dinosaur, but we'll wear it for now. My international driving permit. So that stuff is all good. My BackPackExPat mouse pad, and then all my other documents. Little advertisement for my book. I carry that with just in case. So I got all my extra docs and stuff in there. Okay, mounting gear and everything for all the cameras, as well as I do have a chesty and a couple head mounts. And then as far as the poles go, I do have my extra long Insta360 pole that does the extension, like, I don't know, 3 meters, 5 meters, something like that. My mini Insta360 pole, my GoPro battery powered one, my GoPro floater, bunch of pens. I got my, and also a little toolkit. I'll always need to have a flashlight too, just in case. My JBL headphones. These are the extra lenses that came with my Metas, and they're in there for now because I have prescription ones in here right now. I've got my sobriety coin and my YubiKeys for everything. Got to be secure, don't you know? This was something that a friend gave me for the Walking S. So that'll all stay on my keychains. And of course, Superman logo, can't go anywhere without it. This is a whole bunch of sobriety coins that I was going to give to one of the meetings before I left. I didn't have time to do that, so they're dead weight, and I'm bringing them with, and I'll give them away when I get there. Okay, these are bags for the backpacks, the ring covers for the backpacks, and I think we've already talked about that. So I think we've gone through everything here. Now, obviously, I have a few other things. I am going to be bringing my Bears sweatshirt. That's going to go underneath my other secret weapon. This is a magnetic battery pack, which will go on my phone when I need it. My wallet, which I have set it up so that I can put that on there, that on there, and now I have everything. Charging, my wallets, all that stuff. This is an extra wallet, which I do have a few extra cards and stuff in there that I use as a stand for my phone too. The hat I will be wearing. Let's see, the coffee cup's going to be given away. And then I have one last thing, which is giving away my really nice Bears jacket to my stepson if he ever shows up. And then I have my Scotty vest, which will be what anything that won't fit in my backpack that I absolutely have to take is going to go in. So I think it's time to start the pack.